Claus. Santa Claus.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lafayette County in northwestern Mississippi, Yalobusha County in northwestern Mississippi, northeastern Tallahatchie County in northwestern Mississippi, southeastern Panola County in northwestern Mississippi, until 10:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:09 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Charleston, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Water Valley, Charleston, George Payne State Park, Coffeyville, Pope, Springdale, Enid, Paynes, Velma, Scobie, Oakland, Cortland, Shuford, Pine Valley, Tillatoba, and Eureka Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 572, effective until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Franklin, Jackson, Lincoln, Morehouse, Washita, Richland, Union, West Carroll, and Wynne. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 572 has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Caldwell, Franklin, Jackson, Lincoln, Morehouse, Washita, Richland, Union, West Carroll, and Wynne. At 1:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Centerville, or 15 miles north of Jackson, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Centerville around 1:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Gloucester around 2:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Liberty around 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. In a mobile...
Thank you for listening to WAHC. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wilkinson County in southern Mississippi, west central of Mid County in southern Mississippi, until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Adams, or 18 miles east of Philipsport, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Woodville, Gloucester, Fort Adams, and Crosby. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for southern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for southern Mississippi. The dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 576, effective until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 576 has been issued until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, and Walker. What? Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Chickasaw County in northeastern Mississippi, southern Aramba County in northeastern Mississippi, southeastern Lee County in northeastern Mississippi, Monroe County in northeastern Mississippi, until 11:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shannon to Alto, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Amory, Aberdeen, Okolona, Cheyenne, Smithville, Prairie, New Wren, Nettleton, Hatley, Gutman, Quincy, Turin, Egypt, Wise Gap, Wren, Strong, McCundy, Malden, Leotis, and Binford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. South Central Alabama. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, southwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern George County in southeastern Mississippi, until 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:47 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles west of Wilmer to 4 miles north of Hurley to Wade to 3 miles northwest of Latimer, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Midtown Mobile, Downtown Mobile, Richard, Daphne, Hillman's Corner, Fairhope, Saraland, Bay Minette, Chickasaw, Satsuma, Spanish Fort, Graham Bay, Point Clear, Stapleton, Semmes, Tanner Williams, I-65 and I-165, Mobile Regional Airport and Wilmer. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Mississippi. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Alabama and northwestern Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Mississippi. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Alabama and northwestern Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin and Mobile, and George, Mississippi. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, west central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, until 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:04 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over I-65 and I-165, or near Chickasaw, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Stapleton around 5:25 a.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin and Mobile. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Up to 20 miles an hour. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and same alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Now for the official